Welcome back, everybody. It's your travel friend Herman, and in this short video I'm going to show you guys two places in Brooklyn where I went to get pizza with one of my friends who is a local to New York City, and he recommended these as a must-have when I visited the city and hung out with him. Before I headed out to Brooklyn to meet him, I did take a quick stroll through Central Park.
I've been here to New York City during the winter time, but I've never been to Central Park. It's really pretty. All covered in white. So it's nice to see the contrast between when it's summertime and winter here.
The upside about the snow on this day was that it was fresh snow from the morning before it gets all packed and slippery. And just like I do with all my videos, I will leave the Google Map links down in the description so that when you're visiting the city, or if you're a local yourself, you can find it as easily as possible. Right after the park, I headed over to Brooklyn to meet up with my friend on our first stop to Lucia's Pizza.
First place picked out by my friends.
On Saturdays, they have a delicious shrimp scampi pizza and a vodka aioli pizza.
Shrimp scampi pizza?
Them shrimps?
Yeah. Yep. For the shrimp scampi pizza, we actually put lemon on this thing.
Not only was Lucia's pizza delicious, but it also had a nice local vibe that I think you'll enjoy. And for my second stop in Brooklyn, we headed over to F&F Pizzeria.
Yeah, could be the second pizza spot today.
And the big draw here in F&F Pizzeria is that they have a mind-blowing, and when I say mind-blowing, it was mind-blowing, was a clam pizza that you also put lemon on, as well as their sausage pizza, which was exceptional.
Damn, this looks good.
And just remember to put the lemon on the clam pizza. You cannot miss that.
Ready.
Excellent pizzas. Top notch. And the clam one, I haven't tried it yet, but I will in a second. Yeah. This clam pizza is a 10. Thanks. Yeah, he was right. He should be a food tour. Yeah, have a food tour business. This is good.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have a restaurant recommendation for the best pizza that you know of in New York City, leave it in the comments down below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.